When we launched ibizresources.com in 1999, it never occurred to anyone that by 2012 the vast majority of online searches would be for local goods and services. The World Wide Web not only connects us globally, it makes doing business up and down Main Street easier and more cost-effective. That's why we created this website, to help you find what you're looking for, whether you're considering products or services from around town or around the country, local merchants in your area, listings updated daily. Expand your search to the top 50 U.S. cities. We hope our videos help you become a more savvy consumer. By the way, we're using a voice recognition robot for this presentation. After listening, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, let's get started.
New pieces of restaurant equipment are like new cars. As soon as you drive them off the lot, they depreciate in value. So naturally, it makes more physical sense to find some used restaurant equipment for sale. Go ahead and shell out for the nice silverware, the wine glasses, and the tablecloths. Look for bargains on the kitchen equipment.
The restaurant business embodies the spirit of competition. Those restaurants that survive and make a name for themselves constitute the few, the lucky, the crafty, and the proud. When you walk or drive by a place where a restaurant has closed up and moved out, what question do you ask yourself? For me, it usually has to do with not even remembering the name of the place.
There are locations which, as if by magic, are the home of one failed restaurant after another. So maybe we can blame that. But often it's the food, service, value for the money equation. Unnecessary overhead, especially in the kitchen. Their equipment and their employees often shows up in the charges for their meals, and not in a good way. When it comes to the kitchen, savvy restaurant owners put their money on good used restaurant equipment instead of shiny new appliances whenever possible. Like so many other things in business, the used ones are often just as good and a lot less expensive. The resulting savings can be put to much better use.
Even the restaurants that prepare delicious food, provide a great atmosphere, or offered family-friendly environments, often don't survive their first 6 months after opening.
When opening a restaurant, the startup expenses can make or break a potential culinary success. Finances are key. So if you've got a good idea, even better recipes, and a decent location, then look for some used restaurant equipment for sale.
Thanks for investing your valuable time with us here today. Business leaders and consumers alike know that when they make better decisions, they get better results. Get the information you need to make better buying decisions by locating merchants in your area, exploring listings that are updated daily, and expanding your search beyond your immediate area. Visit our website for more information or to read the unabridged version of this original article by clicking the link in the description area below. Until next time, all the best.